You are overcomplicating trading. The market literally gives you the same setup every single day, which works on the 5-minute time frame again and again. No complicated indicators, no guessing and no chasing. Let me show you exactly how it works. The rules of the strategy are extremely simple. You have to be in front of your screen, let's say at 9:25 AM EST time. And if you don't know which EST time is, you go down here where I show you on the TradingView platform, you click on the time zone and go ahead and choose UTC -4 New York, and now you are on EST time. So come in front of your charts at 9:25 AM EST just to be able to have time to log into your platforms, into your trading accounts, and then all I want you to do is highlight the highest and the lowest points of the 9:30 5-minute candlestick. So when this 5-minute 9:30 candlestick closes right here, go ahead and highlight the highest and the lowest points of this candlestick. Now, wait for a clear close either above or below the candlestick with another 5-minute candlestick. Let's see if we close above or below. Beautiful, we have closed above. Rule number 3, wait for a 5-minute candlestick now that comes towards the opposite direction. This is what you need to wait for right now. And there you go, you have it. You have a bearish candlestick of the 5-minute time frame. So again, let's recap from the beginning. The strategy is extremely simple and it will turn you profitable, such as the premium strategy that I have in my free Discord. You can join absolutely for free, link down in the description, and you can trade in the best prop firms that I have on my link tree, also down in the description, and use code ChrisFX in order to enter the massive giveaways that we have. As an example, I have Hola Prime right here. You can click on Hola Prime and you can choose a variety of accounts ranging from CFDs accounts to futures accounts, and also ranging on the CFDs accounts from 2K until 300K accounts, a ton of different platforms, 1-step, 2-step challenges, or even direct accounts. They are running a lot of discounts every single week, which I'm posting in my Discord. And also you can check out the futures accounts that they have, where they also have 1-step challenges and direct accounts. Use code ChrisFX after you have clicked right here on this link. Use code ChrisFX and get your massive 30% off discount. But also join the Discord, it is absolutely free. Click on the first link right here. Join the free Discord where we are doing live sessions, and our live sessions are something to be watched. It is not boring, we have great music, great people, we are having a very good time. So here again, you are waiting on Nasdaq for the 5-minute 9:30 candlestick to close, and then you highlight the highest and the lowest point of this candlestick. Then you wait for either the highest point to be broken or the lowest with the body and the closure outside. Now we have closed outside from the upper side. And number 3, you are waiting for a reverse candlestick now to be printed. It doesn't need to close within the range or anything like that. Again on the 5-minute. And now it is the time that we go down to the 1-minute time frame. Now go 1 and enter, and now you are on the 1-minute time frame. Now what do I see on the 1-minute time frame? I see that I have created a fair value gap. Here is a fair value gap of the 1-minute time frame. And I see that I have already tested this fair value gap, so I can even go ahead, take the trade exactly right here as it is, and I can place my stop loss a little bit above this area as it is, and I can target my 2-to-1 reward to risk. You will not go ahead and target the other side of the range with this one, target just a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let your trade play out always, don't move any stop losses or any take profits, win the trade, and as always, thank me later for the free things that I'm showing you right here. We will move on to the second example right now, but again, if you're gonna support the free content that I'm giving away, click on the link tree and purchase with code ChrisFX your prop firms and get the highest discounts in the market. Also join the free Discord, you don't need to pay anything. Let's continue. Let's go to the exact previous day. Let's take the replay tool and go to the 9:30 5-minute candlestick. This is the 9:30 5-minute candlestick. Highlight the highest and the lowest point right here and wait for a body of a 5-minute candlestick to close either above or below this range of this current 9:30 5-minute candlestick. Now we don't have anything. Now we have a break above. If we have an opposite direction now candlestick, we will be scaling down to the 1-minute time frame again. So let's see if we have something like that. We are still on the 5-minute. We have a bearish candlestick. Even though this is a pin bar, it is maybe showing that price is going to go higher, but we don't care. We scale down to the 1-minute time frame and we are trying to see if we have any bearish fair value gap. We don't have any bearish fair value gaps, so we go back to the 5-minute time frame and we wait to see if we will create further price action. Okay, let's continue, wait for the next bearish 5-minute candlestick to be printed. Here we have it. Go down to the 1-minute candlestick time frame, right now, and see if there is a fair value gap or if we have tested a fair value gap. There was a fair value gap right here. We can go ahead and take this trade. We have seen the reaction already. Stop loss above this area. Let's do it like that. And target a 2-to-1 RR. Hopefully we do hit it. Let the trade play out always. Let's go ahead play this trade, and the trade works like a charm. We even hit the other side of the range. Very nice. Let's go ahead and see yet another example. I'm showing you now 3 days in a row. So I'm gonna go back. I will go ahead and I will go and check out the 9:30 candlestick. This is the 9:30 5-minute candlestick. I highlight the highest and the lowest point of this candlestick. Strategies that you can apply with me in the live sessions every single day. Also learn about the ChrisFX blocks, which is an evolved breaker block, let's say, which is absolutely free now in our Discord. If you click right here on the first link, choose the free program, it is the free Discord, you don't need to pay anything. And support the content. If you want to also enter the massive giveaways, I'm having great relationships with prop firms and I'm doing massive giveaways only for supporters, of course. So go ahead, use code ChrisFX when you purchase on any of those featured prop firms that I have right here. And go ahead on Hola Prime, of course, check them out because they offer both CFDs and futures. Use code ChrisFX also for your massive discount. Let's continue with the third example. We have highlighted the highest and the lowest points of this candlestick, of this 5-minute candlestick. We are waiting for a body to close above or below. We have a body closing below. Let's see right here. Now we have a body closing above. Let's go down to the 1-minute time frame. Do we have an FEG? We have this FEG right here. If this gets tested on the 1-minute, we will go ahead and we will take the long trade. Now price has left significantly. Sorry, here we would enter. Excuse me. In these occasions, we could enter right here. We can place the stop loss below this area and target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. It happens to be on the other side of the range. I think this will be a loss. If I recall as an example, should be a loss, yeah, and this is a losing example. Simple as that. But because I'm very stubborn and I don't gonna leave you with a losing example, we are gonna do yet another day and I'm gonna show you that this strategy is gonna work more times than it will not, but it will also hit a 2-to-1, which is your significant advantage. Even if you win 40% of the times, you win 80 units, and if you lose 60% of the times, you lose 60 units, so you will be 20 units ahead. So let's go ahead. At 9:30, we highlight the highest and the lowest point. We wait for a 5-minute body to break above or below. We broke above, so now we're waiting for the opposite direction 5-minute candlestick. So let's see if we have a bearish one. We have an enormous bearish candlestick. We switch down to the 1-minute time frame, and we check out if we have FVGs again. We have the highest FVG, that is this one right here. We place the order in this occasion here, stop loss above this candlestick. We target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let's see how this works out, if this plays out. We are in the trade, by the way, traders, ladies and gentlemen, and hopefully we don't get stopped out. Of course we don't, because I know the example. And here we have another win. This plays very nicely, and probably I can perfect this strategy and we can go for way higher reward to risk, because as you saw from these limited examples that I showed you right here, I have tested it on more examples, and I want you to do your back testing as well, of course. You saw that those trades run for way more than a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Go ahead and join then the free Discord. You don't need to pay absolutely anything. I don't want you to pay anything. I want you to go ahead and join the free Discord. I know that I have the mentoring, but you don't need it if you follow me on the free Discord. So join the free Discord, no strings attached. You will be there for a lifetime. And go ahead and support by using code ChrisFX on any of those prop firms. Of course, I am posting the deals inside the Discord, and we are doing massive giveaways all the time for my members, and all of the members are winning free accounts. Subscribe to this channel, share this video with all of your trading friends if you are interested in their success. Tell them to join the free Discord as well. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. I will see you with our next video.